Hey there, I just got a Matias Mini Quiet Pro at a thrift store, so I figured I'd do a quick video on it showing, well, what comes in the box, how it sounds, and some detailed information on it. Alright, well, first begin with opening it. Alright. It's wrapped in a sleeve of some sort. Standard feeling. Alright, first of all, there is the keyboard. Looks interesting, pretty thick, all things considered, around the normal size for a standard keyboard. This one obviously is 10 keyless. It has a USB port on this side and a USB port on the other, as well as one right there. Let's see, there's its own USB in. The shiny look on it is a little chintzy, in my view. Makes it look a little cheaper, but otherwise feels fine. Put it to the side for a moment. And here's its cabling. Alright, fairly long cable, looks to be standard deal. Yeah, right angle, alright. Comes with a second one. Let's see, presumably, what does this, no, they both go the same direction. Oh, that's interesting. This one is bi-directional. It's a little strange, fairly certain that is not part of the USB standard, but it's fine. Alright, standard warranty, additional information, other products, alright. Alright, well, let's get the keyboard itself set up. Alright, keyboard's hooked up. Let's give it a sound and tactile test. Alright, from that quick test, feels pretty good. Sort of reminiscent of MX Brown's. Definitely feels different. Can't provide really more detail than that, but they do feel good. Now, what I do know about these keys is that they are Alps inspired and have some form of sound dampening. Their actual peak depression force is 60 gram forces, I think with a 5 variance. Travel distance 3.5 millimeters. Feels pretty good in that regard. Yeah, that's about all the information, really, short of disassembling, which maybe I'll do a video on that. But yeah, seems quite good. It has media keys that you can use with the function key. Yeah, it seems like a pretty decent little keyboard. I do enjoy how it feels. Personally, I am a greater fan of Cherry MX Blues. I like the audio feedback. But certainly this feels quite nice. It actually lately reminds me of some of the older Macintosh keyboards. But yeah, with more of a tactile feel. The sound dampening seems to work very well. Let's see. Otherwise, let's see, it has N key rollover, which, you know, is always nice. The keys are sculpted, so your fingers do sit comfortably within them. The letterings are laser etched, so they shouldn't really wear out. However, I do note there is some wear on some of the keys, but this keyboard might just need a deep cleaning. Otherwise, yeah, seems like a pretty decent keyboard. Feels nice to type on. That's my today's conclusion. It's not the prettiest keyboard. It is nice that it has arrow keys for those who use arrow keys. I use Vim, so as well as some other, let's say, standard letter-centric layouts or programs that use them. But in general, this keyboard fits the bill just fine. I will be doing additional programming on it before I have a truly final conclusion, but for now, I like this keyboard. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye for now.